Well, good morning. Today I went and purchased a shop vac, and I'm gonna open it up and see how it all works. Bought it from Harbor Freight. It was like the biggest one they had there today. So here we go. We're gonna open it up and take a look at it. This is how it's packed in there. Pretty nice. So it's all seems fairly nicely packed. Let me put you back on the stand and I'll take it out. All right, so you saw how it was packed in here. I got the pipe extension. Put that down here. And it looks like it's mostly assembled with the exception of the wheels on the bottom. So let me see where those are. Here's the cord. So far so good. Big on-off switch. Oh yeah, got a nice filter on it. Just a second, let me show you. All the accessories are right in there. The hose, the wheels. Probably will never use that with this, but the hose will be used. All right. And it's got screws, and I'm assuming that's for the wheels, like to hold them in permanently. So let me stop and go get a Phillips screwdriver. All right, so here we go. We got the 4 wheels and the screws, and the wheels are already attached. They just slide right in, and then the screw goes in. I'm gonna do one and then I'll pause the video while I do the other ones. And then we'll test it out because I got a lot of stuff to vacuum up. Well, this is simple enough. So the assembly is super easy. So let me pause you, I'll put it together, and then we'll try it out. All right, so I got all the wheels on now. I'll put the top on, and it's got pretty good lockable, which is cool. So there we go. I like it. Seems to be working nicely. There's locked in. All we gotta do is plug it in and we'll try it out. Cause I got like sand everywhere from when I tried out that sand blaster. And we'll go from there. There's the stuff between beating and banging on this and cutting it up and all that. I got sand, I got the undercoating, I got just, 50 years of crud build up that has fallen. And then I just got the regular old garage leaves blowing in and so forth, so forth. So I'm gonna put this on time lapse and I'm gonna vacuum up as much of this as I can get up, and then I'll show you how it does. All right, so that's what I did real quick with it. I mean, it could, it did what it's supposed to do. It vacuumed it up, and there's all the stuff I picked up. So it works. I don't know how to compare it to anything else. Really can't. It just works. So I'll give it a it works thumbs up. So there you go. Well, hopefully that helps you a little bit if you're thinking about choosing a Harbor Freight shop vac. As you can see, it worked great, packed decently, very easy to put together, and it went right to work. So, you know, if you're comparing it and you can save a little bit of money, what the heck, that's what I would do. So anyways, well, thanks again, everybody. Please give it a thumbs up, a like, a share, subscribe, whatever you're going to do, but I really appreciate it. The support's been great. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and have a great day.